Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will how to know if what Windows is your laptop. Chapter 1. How to know if what Windows is your laptop from settings. To start, enter About in the search box. Click on About your PC. After that, in the Windows specifications section, you can see the version used. Chapter 2. How to know if what Windows is your laptop from command prompt. To get started, open CMD using the search box. Here, run the winver command and hit enter. You can see the used version of Windows. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 3. How to know if what Windows is your laptop from PowerShell. To start, in the search box, enter PowerShell. Click on PowerShell. In the terminal, run the winver command. Press enter and you will see the version used. Chapter 4. How to know if what Windows is your laptop using command. To start, enter winver in the search box. Click on the command to access the used version of Windows. Chapter 5. How to know if what Windows is your laptop from system information. To begin, in the search box, enter that info 32. Open System Information. In this window, you can find the used version of the system in the operating system name line. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.